Unraveling the Phrase Fumble for in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to explore: fumble for. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means or how to use it properly in a sentence, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also feel confident in using it. So, let's dive in and untangle the intricacies of this common English expression. The phrase, fumble for, combines two words that are vivid in their imagery. To fumble means to handle something clumsily, usually because it's difficult to grasp or because one is in a hurry. When we say someone is fumbling for something, we are picturing a scenario where they are awkwardly searching or reaching for an object, often in a situation where there's a bit of urgency or confusion. Imagine you're in a dark room trying to find the light switch. That's fumbling. Now, if you add for to fumble, you're specifying what you're clumsily searching for. It can be a literal search, like for your keys, or a metaphorical one, like for the right words when you're nervous. To get a better grasp, let's look at some examples. 1. She fumbled for her glasses on the nightstand, her vision nothing but a blur. 2. During the interview, he fumbled for an answer, feeling the pressure of the moment. 3. I fumbled for my ticket when the conductor approached, realizing it was lost. In these examples, fumble for is used to describe the action of searching for something in a clumsy or hasty way. When using fumble for, it's important to remember that it often implies a lack of grace or precision. Avoid using it to describe a situation where someone is moving with skill or confidence. For example, you wouldn't say, "She fumbled for her pen and wrote a beautiful letter," because writing a beautiful letter requires care, not clumsy haste. Another mistake to avoid is using fumble for in the wrong tense. Since it often describes a momentary action, make sure your verb tenses match the context of the situation. Let's put your knowledge to the test. Try to complete the following sentences using fumble for. 1. He fumbled for his blank as he tried to unlock the door in the dark. 2. In the silence of the exam room, all you could hear was students fumbling for blank. 3. The quarterback fumbled for the ball after the blank. Pause the video and think about how you would fill in these blanks. Then resume to check your answers. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, fumble for. We hope you now feel comfortable with this expression and can use it to add more color to your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is like piecing together a puzzle. Every new phrase is a piece that helps complete the picture. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you another lesson soon. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to fumble for words. It's all part of the learning process.